Introducing the glass coffee containers with airtight locking clamp bamboo lids, a must-have for coffee enthusiasts and kitchen aficionados. With its high-quality materials and thoughtful design, this coffee storage container set is perfect for keeping your beloved coffee beans fresh and ready to brew. Crafted from lead-free borosilicate glass, these containers are not only durable but also provide a sleek and transparent view of your coffee beans. The airtight bamboo lids, along with the stainless steel clip lock, ensure that no air or moisture can penetrate, keeping your beans at their optimal freshness. But it doesn't stop there. This set also includes 2 utility spoons to enhance your coffee experience. The long mixing spoon makes it effortless to scoop out the perfect amount of coffee from the large glass jars, while the measuring spoon guarantees accurate measurements for precision brewing. With a generous capacity of 45 ounces per container, they can accommodate a variety of food items such as various nuts, loose leaf tea, sea salt, and shredded coconut. And when it comes to cleaning, you'll be delighted to know that these containers are dishwasher safe, making maintenance a breeze. Not only are these glass coffee containers highly functional, but they also make for a stylish addition to any kitchen. The bamboo lids and the classic country-style design give them an elegant and timeless appeal. Serving as an ideal housewarming gift, this set is perfect for professional baristas or anyone who appreciates the art of coffee. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Before purchasing, be sure to check compatibility to avoid any inconvenience. In summary, the glass coffee containers with airtight locking clamp bamboo lids are a top-notch choice for coffee lovers and anyone who appreciates high-quality storage solutions. With its durability, easy cleaning, and thoughtful features, this set is an excellent investment for anyone seeking to keep their coffee beans fresh and aromatic.